Best friends bucket list. This video belongs to me. However, if you want, you can fill in this part just like I did by writing your first and last name. Hello. How are you? I made a list of things we can do. On a good day, we go out and walk in the park, sit in the shade, and stroll in our favorite spot. Depending on the weather, we can cool down with a splash of water, stretch to make snow angels, hike on a hill, or just hang out and eat snacks. If we have to stay in, we will take turns to visit, and we can put on a play, listen to music, or sing our favorite songs. We can work on crafts, try new tastes, or just find something to celebrate. Maybe we will have a sleepover, too. We can end of the day with warm milk and a bubble bath, and snooze at last. We can do a lot of things together. This is something that is left to your imagination. Don't forget, friends are for this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to be informed about our new tales.